Hello, my dear students of Beacon High School. Today I am going to teach you a paper vase in a zigzag pattern. A vase is an open container. It can be made from numbers of material. Vases are often decorated and they are often used to hold the cut flowers. Vase comes in different size to support whatever flowers it is holding or keeping in place. By making paper vase in home, we can decorate our study table, dining table and many things. So let's start working on paper vase. We need a requirement A4 size, 3 papers of any color, then Fevicol we will need, pencil and scale. Now first take a white A4 size paper or you can take any color and take a big scale. Now we are going to mark upside half inches everywhere till the paper ends. Now see here, the marking should be very accurate. Half inches marking will be there. Both the sides down and up. In this way we will go on marking slowly and neatly. Your marking should be very accurate. Downside also we are going to mark it same way. Half inches we are going to mark and we are going to join them. We are going to draw the lines of half inch total on the total paper. Like this we will draw here, and the same way we'll keep our scale downside and downside also the same marking will be there of half inches. Go on marking. Already we have taken the markings of half inches. Now this here we are going to join the dots with the scale and pencil, and where the extra paper is remaining, now this part is extra, we are going to cut that one. Now first join the lines with the scale. Keep your scale exactly on the dots where you have marked and draw the straight line there, so that while folding it will be easy. In this way we will draw the lines. Now we have completed our pencil work here. We have drawn the line. Now we are going to give the lines a folding, a fan folding we are going to give for the lines. Now see here, check the lines and go neatly on the lines. A fan folding lines will come. We are folding for the fans the same way, upside one and then downside it will go on. See the lines which we have drawn on the same it will come. So just turn the page, so it will be easy to you to fold the paper neatly, and just press with your fingers neatly, and then again turn the paper and again fold this one on the line. That the linings are very important. The folding is very important here. If your folding is wrong, your work will be wrong. And just press it on this one, so it will go on folding like this. In this way the folding will be there. Till the line you are going to fold that. The corners you have to check, and just go on folding like a fan. This way we will fold, we will give a fold of fan. We are folding up and down. In this way it will be, you can see that a fan fold, it will be easy. Now fold it neatly and press it with the scale, so the linings will be perfect. After opening you will not get any problem. Now after that one we are going to take a measurement from upside down. You have to keep the scale here and exact 7.5 centimeter we are going to take. 7.5 centimeter marking we are going to take it here. See that this side also the 7.5 centimeter it will come. So upside we have taken 7.5 centimeter. Just open that one and just wherever the marking has been done by the pencil, we are going to draw a line like this there for each folded part. So in this way we will draw the line directly with the pencil where we have done a marking of 7.5. For all the folds we are going to make the marking. Like this we have taken a marking for each folded side of 7.5 centimeter. Now this is the front side. We are going to draw a line like this, and now you are going to hold this folded part, upper part, and on this line to the left side we are going to fold it in a 90-degree angle like this. Just on that line it will come. Slowly we are going to go because the paper is little bit thick, so neatly and slowly in this way we will fold it and press it. In this way we will fold it with the fingers on the line which we have drawn there of 7.5, exactly there, and just open that one, and for each part again the same way on the line we are going to fold that part. Just hold the paper and just go on folding on the line. In this way just go on folding and press it with your thumb inside part. So same way all the foldings we are going to fold it in a same way. Inside part like this, open it, so you will get the foldings. Hold the folded part and just go on folding that. We have folded the upper side one 7.5 centimeter in this way. Open it. Now just what we are going to do is, now we are going to open this part and just press it here, that this part will come upside, and now just go on folding. Now this will go down and this folding will come up like this. In this way it will come up. This part also it will come up. So just we have to pay attention there. This way it will come, and this part it will go down. The folding will come up here, and this part it will go down. So here the folding you have to take care of that one. Where the marking is gone, there the part will come up and the another part will go inside. Here more attention you have to pay. You have to pay full attention here. The folding, see the linings you will get after the folding. So this part will come upside and this part will go down. Be careful while folding. The lines are very important here. You have to see the lines carefully, and this part will go inside here. So first fold that one, and then this part will come up, and in this way it will look like this one. So while folding, be careful. We will get like this marking. Now this side, as I told, it will come up, and see the marking. You're going to fold it in the same way and press with your thumb. Then come for the second one. Then again this side will come up, and the downside bigger it will go inside, and just press it and press it with your thumb. So the marking will come correct, and go on folding. Go on folding like this. In this way all the markings whichever you have got of 7.5 centimeter, that will go inside, and the downside part will come up. In such way all the three papers which I told you, the same you are going to do in a same pattern, and you are going to be keep ready for our paper vase in this way, and press it. And after completing this one, now see here the upper part which we have folded, press it neatly, again check the foldings, and now see the upper part, this side, this upper side. Now what you are going to do, each corner you are going to hold it, and to this line you are going to make a triangle fold like this. Then just press it with your thumb, see that you can see this fold. In this way for all, just open one by one and just give a fold, a triangle fold for each one. In such a way, you are going to give a fold for each. Again, same way for all three you are going to do and keep it ready. Now folding the upper part, you are going to open that one, make it straight. Now open one by one. See that this way, and you will get a triangle, a small triangle shape here by folding, and just insert this part in and again fold it. So all the triangles will go in, upper side it will go inside in this way. Just go on folding and press it with your thumb for all foldings. Same way, just open one and just press inside, it will go, because already we have got the lines of a triangle both the sides. Just go on pressing the folds like this. The upper shape of our vase will be ready now. In this way, complete it till end. For all the three all the three papers, you are going to do same way how I am showing, and you are going to keep that paper ready. All the three means all the two. Now we needed three papers. Now we have completed in this shape. Okay, upper side. Right, now come for the downside. Now this is the downside of our paper. The same way you are going to fold a triangle here for each part in this way. Now you can see this border line. Till the border line you are going to bring this and just press it like a triangle. In this way you can see it. For each folding you are going to do the same way. Just open it and fold it like a triangle in this way. For all you are going to do that one. Just we have folded the downside in a small triangle. Now open it. Now the same procedure, the same style we are going to do. Now this folded part will go inside in this way and just fold it. You can see this, the folded part, the small triangle will go in, and just press it in this way. Press it again this side. Just go on doing the same way. Now while folding, this folding will be little hard for you people, but you can do that one. Slowly you have to pay your attention so that it will be easy for you, because these foldings are small and you have to go through the lines. After that your work will be perfect. So just pay your attention, just see that how I am doing, and the same pattern, the same style you are going to use, so it will be easy for you. In this way we will complete the folding part inside. Now after that one, I will show you that all the three parts, it will be ready for the final work. In this way it is completed now. Now you can see this, a total, it is folded like this. Now you can see after opening it will look like this, the downside part. The same way the three parts will be ready like this. Our three parts are ready. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to join all these three parts to one another. So for joining we need Fevicol. Now first we will stick these two parts. Now what you are going to do is you are going to apply Fevicol here totally on this side, and then you are going to stick the first three parts in the same way, one by one. So better put the Fevicol neatly, apply the Fevicol neatly, spread it with your finger or with a brush, and then just take this part, the another part, and we are going to stick this part here. So while sticking, see the corners, you have to pay attention to the corners neatly, and you have to press that one with the fingers. So pay your attention there, check the corners, or it should not go up and down, or it should not come out and go somewhere else. So better the midpoint you have to check. You have to check the midpoint of our work, and we have to press that one with our fingers. In this way we will press it. Two we have joined here. Now the third one, again for this corner, on this corner we are going to join the same way. Apply the Fevicol here. In the same style we are going to join that one with the finger. Please spread the Fevicol neatly for all the sides, neatly on the corner also. You have to see that the Fevicol is there, and then take this third part and join it in the same style. Like this, all the three parts we have joined it. It will look like this. And now this is the final joint. Again we are going to apply the Fevicol here, and we are going to join this one in the vase shape. After that I will tell you what to do, so it will become a round. Now first we will join this corner to this corner. So apply Fevicol here in the same way, and just spread with your finger for each corner, and the right side part will be joined on the left one. In this way your paper vase is ready. Now see here, the main important thing is that how much roundness you want. You're going to, it is depend on you. So you're going to hold it like this and take a strip of any colorful paper, like this strip of any colorful paper, or you can use a satin ribbon, and just here inside here down here you are going to hold with one hand how much roundness you want inside here. Hold like that, and just you're going to put that paper strip or a ribbon, and you're going to tie it or paste it in this way. So the roundness will be remain the same how you want. Got it? Then after that, just I will paste this one and I will show you. In this way we are going to tie the paper strip or a ribbon, I told, and it will look like this. Now we will come for the base. Now what you are going to do, see the shape of the base, take the measurement, take one square paper of any color and just keep it down and take the measurement of the base, and you can cut an extra circle here, and you are going to paste this downside part on the circle. Just I will show you. I will take a measurement, I will cut. You have to take an extra paper here. Got it? In this way our circle is ready now. Now just apply Fevicol here, downside to all the corners neatly, and you're going to paste that one on the circle neatly, slowly, in the correct shape, round shape of the vase. Our paper vase is completed. Now here you're going to make flowers by your own. Paper flowers you can make, and just you're going to insert the flowers here in the vase, and just you can decorate your dining table, you can decorate your showcase, you can decorate your study table in this way. Now you can see this after completing the vase, after the paper flowers, it will look a beautiful flower vase. Complete it, enjoy it. Thank you.